Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India. Welcome to another insightful episode of Legends of India. Today, we delve into the life and legacy of Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India. Join us as we explore the remarkable journey of this visionary leader and his significant contributions to the nation. But before starting this episode, I have a humble request. It is important to tell your children about these legends. These legends are our real treasures that enhance our understanding and pride in our culture, history, and social values. Rajendra Prasad was born on 3 December 1884 in the village of Jirade in the state of Bihar. From a young age, he displayed exceptional intelligence and a deep sense of social responsibility. After completing his education, he pursued a career in law, advocating for justice and equality. Inspired by the freedom struggle and the call for independence, Rajendra Prasad actively joined the Indian National Congress. He became a staunch supporter of Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence and civil disobedience, dedicating himself to the cause of freedom from British rule. Rajendra Prasad's leadership skills and dedication to the nation soon gained recognition, and he rose to prominence within the Indian National Congress. He played a crucial role in mobilizing the masses, organizing protests, and advocating for the rights and well-being of the Indian people. As an ardent follower of Mahatma Gandhi's ideology, Rajendra Prasad actively participated in various movements, including the Salt Satyagraha and the Quit India movement. He fearlessly faced imprisonment and endured hardships for the cause of independence, never wavering in his commitment to the nation. After India gained independence, in 1947, Rajendra Prasad's immense contributions and his deep understanding of constitutional matters earned him a prominent role in shaping the future of the nation. He was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly, entrusted with the task of drafting the Indian Constitution. Rajendra Prasad's astute leadership and unwavering dedication to the principles of justice, equality, and democracy were instrumental in the successful formulation and adoption of the Indian Constitution. He played a pivotal role in ensuring that the Constitution reflected the aspirations and values of the Indian people. On 26 January 1950, India officially became a republic, and Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first President of India. His presidency marked the beginning of a new era, characterized by democratic governance, social progress, and inclusive development. As President, Rajendra Prasad embodied the essence of the office, upholding the highest ideals of integrity, humility, and service. He worked tirelessly to strengthen the democratic fabric of the nation, promoting the principles of justice, equality, and freedom for all. Rajendra Prasad's presidency witnessed significant milestones in the nation's history. He provided guidance and support during a crucial period of nation-building, fostering unity and harmony among diverse communities and regions. Beyond his presidential tenure, Rajendra Prasad continued to serve the nation in various capacities. He was actively involved in social and educational reforms, striving to improve the lives of the marginalized and uplift the underprivileged sections of society. Rajendra Prasad's humility and simplicity endeared him to the people of India. He remained accessible to the common citizens, often engaging in conversations and addressing their concerns. His compassionate approach and empathetic leadership set an exemplary standard for future leaders. After completing his tenure as president, Rajendra Prasad retired from active politics but remained an influential figure in Indian society. He dedicated his time to academic pursuits, writing books, and sharing his wisdom with future generations. Rajendra Prasad's immense contributions to the nation earned him widespread respect and admiration. His legacy as the first President of India continues to inspire leaders and citizens alike, reminding us of the power of leadership, integrity, and selfless service. As we conclude this episode, let us remember Rajendra Prasad, a visionary leader whose unwavering commitment to the nation and its people played a pivotal role in shaping the destiny of independent India. His legacy serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, urging us to strive for a better future based on the principles of justice, equality, and progress. Join us on the next episode as we delve into the remarkable stories of other legendary figures who have shaped the cultural fabric of India. Until then, keep sharing these invaluable stories with your children. Thank you and goodbye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.